Wavy. These colors are sick. Yeah. And I just wanna ride around my city with the windows down, catching the breeze, playing my music loud right now. There ain't no worry in the world right now. Yeah, while I'm watching every nigga watching me closely, plotting on my demise, but still I steady rise, cause these niggas wanna shine with you, but never wanna grind with you. These absent-minded dudes never really had a clue, thinking outside the boxes before it was cool. You trendy fools, but we applaud the act y'all putting on. I'm in my zone, call it 2-3. My sound's like butter for the bread, just add the cheese cause I'm grilling you niggas. My game is mental, passion pushed by my drive, with that burning ambition, lighting the fire in my soul. I'm trying to vibe with the world, open your eyes and see it all for what it really is. I'm going up, so I guess it's time to shift the gears. God is all I fear, my soul is all I have. Growth and development with dreams of living cordial, comfortable visions. You got questions, I got the answers. I'm trying to ball like AI and step over the world like it was Tyronn Lue. I refuse to go through life with all the what ifs. If I went for what I wanted and I failed, I wouldn't really trip. An angel told me to dust myself off and then try again. So try again, I gotta win. I will not lie again. Can't fall to sin, the demons trying to knock me off my path. I pop and weave and throw a right and a left. Should I turn right? What's left for me? Trying to lay out a beautiful life for my kids to see. Living in hell, but I swear life can be so heavenly. Yeah, I guess it depends on what angle you look at it from. Red rum to these beats, nigga drink up. Now watch me kick back with my feet up. Now can I live? Yeah, can I live? Yeah, I said can I live? Yeah. Now can I live? Said can I live? Yeah, and I swear that I'm in my zone. Yeah, I swear that I'm in my zone. Yeah, now can I live? Yeah, yeah, now can I live? Retro, I got it. Worry in the world right now. Chilling visions of me in the position that most wish that they were in. I'm in a Ford Focus driving 30 miles per hour with my windows down. Smoke from them purple clouds cause I'm on that loud. Driving through these colorful clouds with my music loud. No worries, ain't no limits to living. Letting my thoughts run wild like Johnny.